The Larson Electronics explosion-proof temporary power distribution station converts 3-phase 480-volt AC electrical current into 3-phase 208Y and 120-volt AC. This explosion-proof unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480-volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. On the primary side, operators connect 3-phase 480-volt line-in power, and on the secondary side, operators may access 9 explosion-proof receptacles for 120-volt equipment. The transformer and load center distribution assembly is mounted to a powder-coated aluminum dolly cart-style frame. Run-flat rubber tires and a dolly cart-style mounting platform provides easier substation mobility. A center lift point allows easy lifting with cable or chain hooks. This temporary power distribution solution can be modified to meet the needs of job site receptacle requirements. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.